Hello, my name is Garth Walker and I'm the CEO of National Ramp. We're here today to donate a ramp to the Hayes family. Mrs. Hayes had a fall. She broke her hip a few months ago. So one of her daughters kindly went online and she found this 12-foot folding ramp with supports in the middle. She bought this ramp for her mom thinking it was going to be safe. Unfortunately, with the elevation outside the Hayes household, this ramp was far too steep and far too dangerous. So Mrs. Hayes' daughter and her two young sons ended up physically carrying Mrs. Hayes up and down these stairs here. Thankfully, Mrs. Hayes' daughter went back online and she found National Ramp. That's why we're here today. We've donated this large ramp with 3 platforms to the Hayes household because it's our honor to give people their freedom back.
Hi, my name is Jennifer. When I first contacted National Ramp, I had no idea about guidelines or regulations that were in place as far as ramps. National Ramp educated me on what was needed. National Ramp was able to install my ramp in a week. I spoke with Max. He was gracious in offering to donate a ramp. He was so compassionate when he heard my story about our struggle, my mom's struggle. I feel like this is the key to making my life and my mom's life more independent. I am so excited to take my mom out of the house and go grocery shopping.
You see, National Ramp has helped tens, if not hundreds of thousands of individuals across America to get their freedom back. We've served veterans. That's been our honor and our pride to serve over 40,000 veterans. We've served young people, old people, disabled people, people in wheelchairs, people in scooters, and people that just have a hard time walking up and down the stairs. In fact, my own parents both needed ramps recently. So this has become very personal to me, and I'm really honored to be here today donating this ramp to the Hayes household.
Thank you, National Ramp, for giving my mom her freedom back.